Hi, my name is Kelly Smith, and I'm CEO and owner of Alltech Electric. We are an electrical contracting company, and we provide construction work related to the design, maintenance, and construction of electrical systems. We work in industries such as industrial, commercial, higher education, medical, and municipality work. We do both public and private work. We are currently working on a distribution facility with Brasfield Gorrie in Dallas, Texas. Past projects, we have worked on a design build caster manufacturing facility. We've worked on a design build pet care tank farm. We've also worked on a parking deck. And so we hope to continue working with Brasfield Gorrie on future projects. I have been involved with EQIP for several years. I've utilized a lot of resources provided by EQIP, and those include workshops, resources on the website, meet and greets. I'm attending a Building Connections event next week in Dallas. I've also attended some professional development type workshops and industry educational workshops. I feel it's important to be involved in programs like EQIP for several reasons. It provides free resources for small businesses that you may not be able to get elsewhere. It's also brought myself and our company some exposure to key employees of Brasfield Gorrie, as well as other companies. So it's a great networking and connection building organization. We are fortunate to be partners of Brasfield Gorrie and to be involved in this program. And we look forward to continuing to be involved and continuing to do more business with Brasfield Gorrie. Thank you.